could have a big dipper going up and